Hello mga ka-18, here's your Laura 18 nagbabalita about SB19. Isa na namang international achievement ito para sa ating mahalina at 1Z Entertainment, a world-class collaboration na timing sa kanilang incoming kick-off concert world tour. Ang simula at wakas na gaganapin sa Philippine Arena this May 31 and June 1, and soon sa iba't ibang bansa ngayong taong 2025. SB19 and Japanese gaming company SNK Corporation joined forces for an exciting collaboration. SB19 expanded their global reach by collaborating with Japanese gaming and entertainment company for a new music video, Donka, featuring the latter's game Fatal Fury City of Wolves. It combines SB19's genre-defying sound and the cinematic battle sequences of Fatal Fury City of Wolves.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though